Hello dear student, now we are in the part 2 of the 6th standard lesson number 1, knowing our numbers. Please go through the part 1 for your better understanding of this video. We start with ascending and descending order in number system. I am taking simple number like 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. So your target is you have to keep in ascending and descending order. So in ascending you have to pick first smallest number. Which one is smallest? 1. Second smallest 2. Third 3. Fourth, then fifth number. So that first position belongs to the smallest. Second smallest, third, fourth, and then last one is nothing but the greatest number. So this is what ascending. Descending is reverse of ascending. So whenever you write descending for the same series, you just keep it in reverse order like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 because it is the reverse of ascending. Got it? So in descending we use greatest number first, second greatest, third greatest, fourth greatest, and then smallest. So this is what ascending and descending order. Now we will solve one exercise. Now this number I want to put in ascending and descending order. So as you know, ascending means smallest number. So in between 4, which one is smallest? Definitely in between 2. Because here 4 digit number, 3 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit. So as we have 3 digit in both, then you may get confusion which one is smallest. So from right hand side you check number, here it is 8, here it is 1. So 1 is means smaller than 8. So which one you will write? 1, 2, 3. Then 8, 4, 7. Now in between 2, here we have 9, here we have 8. 8 is smaller than 9. So next number is this one, and then 9, 7, 5, 4. So we solve it in ascending order. Descending is the reverse of ascending. So you write in reverse order. Got it? Now our next topic is place value. So there are two types of place value, Indian and international place value. So that we will see in detail. In previous classes, suppose you learn 3 digit number. Suppose 1, 2, 3 is 3 digit number. So 3 means ones, 2 means tens, and this one is 100. So how you read? 123. Because its positions are ones, tens, 100. So it is in 100. So 123. So now we will see this concept in detail. So in the place value we take a larger number, 9 digit number we take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is, we are assuming this is number having 9 digit. I am giving some space because I would like to write something. So number is having total how many digits? 9. So this 9, what is the place value? Ones. What is the place value of 8? Tens. What is the place value of 7? Hundreds. 6 means 1000. 5 means, what will be the next after 1000? 10,000. Then after 10,000, lakh. Then after lakh, 10 lakh. Got it? And after lakh, crores. Then after crores, 10 crore. So in this way we follow that. Once again you see ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. You should keep this in your mind. It will help you for solving exercise. So here some common important terms are there. If you see particularly up to 10,000 you people might be knowing. So you keep in mind 1 lakh. How many zeros? 5. In 1 lakh, 5 zeros are there. If you write crore, 1 crore means how many zeros? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 1 crore, total 7 zero. In lakh, always 5 zero comes. So this thing you keep in mind. It will means in exercise it will help you. Now next one is, this is the Indian place value system. Now we go for international. Once you understood this, you can easily understand international place value system. Again we have the same concept, 1, tens, 100 and then 1000, 10,000, and here after 10,000 in place of lakh 100,000 will be there. Okay, 100,000 will be there, and then here in place of 10 lakh what will be next? Then here 10,000, 100,000. So after 10 lakh, million. Then after million, 10 million. After 10 million, 100 million. So it's quite simple. So after 10,000, 100,000 will come in place of lakh. Then million, 10 million, 100 million. Then after that, billion start, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion, like that. So here only one thing you keep in mind, that is 10 lakh equal to million. That thing you keep in mind. Once you know this, you can easily calculate 10 million and 100 million, because after 10 lakh 1 crore. 1 crore means after 10 lakh, as you know, 1 crore comes, means 10 million. 10 crore means 100 million. So here one more important thing, 1 million means 6 zero will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in lakh how many zero? 5. Crore how many zero? 7. In million how many zero? 6. Got it? So these things you keep in mind, it will help for solving exercise. Now after this we will see the use of comma. Our next topic is, after the place value, use of comma in the Indian and international place value system. First we will see Indian place value system. Suppose you have number, again we have 9-digit number, so you have to use comma, and at the same time I am taking international also, same number. So in Indian place value system, after 3 we give comma, then after 2, like that. You keep in mind, after 3 we give comma, then after 2 number, after 2 number. In international always after 3, like that. Got it? Why it is like that? In Indian place value, first 3 means ones, tens, 100. So this is one bunch. Then after 100, 1000, 10,000. So this is second bunch. Then lakh, 10 lakh, next bunch. And crore, 10 crore. So that's why it is in like that pair. In international, 1, tens, 100, you know. Then after 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So that's why it is in 3 bunch. So this is our comma system. Now we directly go on number name. So here in the number name, suppose I take 7-digit number. How you will write in number name? First you use the comma. So after 3 number, then 2 number according to Indian system. We got it, we use the comma. Then you have to write in number name. First you start with 12. So after 12, how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where the 5 digits come? In lakh. So you will write 12 lakh. Then after that 34 is there. After 34, how many digits are there? 3. So after 34, you assume 3 zeros are there. So where 3 zeros are there? In thousands. So you write 34,000, and then this is 100 place, so 567. So in this way, I just give you only one example. Then later on when we see the exercise, we will go for detail. Again I am taking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we see international system we will see. So first you give the comma, after 3, after 3. So here 1 tens 100, 1000 10,000, 100,000, and then million. So you write 1 million, because after 1 million 6 zeros are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 places are there, so it is 1 million. Then after 1 million, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, and in the 1000 3 digits are there. So you write directly 34,000, and then as usual 567. So this is your number system. Whenever you convert into the number name, first you use the comma and you have to identify particular number, how many digits are there or how many zeros are there. You will see more exercise. If you didn't understand this, when we will see the exercise, that time your concept will be clear. So I hope friend you understood this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.